Welcome back to the Code Engineer. In today Python tutorial, we are going to learn about operators. In operators, we are going to learn introduction to operators, arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, and identity operators. First of all, we want to know about what is operator. Operator is a symbol which is used to perform calculation. Calculation purpose we can use our operators. It may be arithmetic operations or logical operations. For example, logical operators and or not. Operator is a symbol which is used to perform arithmetic or mathematical operations and logical operations. Now we will see one by one operators. The first one, arithmetic operators. Normally, the name itself we can easily identify arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and exponential. Mainly used to mathematical calculation purpose, we can use the arithmetic operators based on numbers. The numbers are integer, float, complex. Here some of the examples for arithmetic operation. For example, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 minus 3, 2, 5 into 3, 15, 5 slash 2, it is 2.5. It is a float value. Division shows the float value. It is quotient. Floor division means the floor value of 2.5. The floor value will be 2. That's a the floor division value 2. Modulus, it is a remainder value. 5 modulus 2, the remainder will be 1. So you can say it is an important operator, will show the remainder. Exponent means power, 5 power 2, that is a 5 square, that is 25. We will see example for arithmetic operators. Now we will say the print, the addition value, example for addition, 5 plus 2. The addition value is add, addition value is 7. The output, it will give intent errors. Intent means there is no space before the starting. We can avoid space, otherwise it will show the intent error. Now we can run this code. The output will be 7. It is addition. I'm going to subtraction value, 5 minus 2. The answer will be 3. Subtract value. Going to perform multiplication. The multiplication operator is asterisk. Multiply 5 star 2, 5 asterisk 2. The output will be 10. Here the output will be shown by 1. Next one, division. The output will be 2.5. Output will be 2.5. I'm going to perform floor division now. Floor division means we will give add double slash. It will show the result of floor value. Going to run this code. The floor value will be 2. Division value 2.5. Floor value means the floor value 2. I'm going to perform modulus. Modulus means it is to show the remainder value. Modulus, the operator is percentage operator, the modulus operator. The output will be 1. It will show the remainder value. Finally, the exponent value. Exponent means power. Exponent we are using double star to represent exponent of power of c. Run this code. 5 double star 2 means 5 square. The output will be 25. Example for arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Floor division means the floor value of 5 double slash 2 division, floor value of division. Modulus, it shows the remainder value. Exponent means power value. Here we are using double star. Some of the example. Now you can do the Python program. Simple calculator using arithmetic operators. You can read two values. For example, a comma b using the input statement and perform arithmetic operations. Simple calculator. Thank you.